Good morning, my dear students of class 7th. I'm your physics teacher, Miss Rajwant Kaur. Today we will do the chapter number 6, sound. So let's start the chapter sound and its production. First of all, we will learn about the sound. What is sound? It is a form of energy that gives sensation of hearing. Means it is the energy which enable us to hear the different things sound. Now the sound can be pleasant like vocal music, instrument music, but it can be unpleasant on the other hand too, like the noise made by the vehicles and machine. And sound is made by even by the human beings, animals and the non-living things. And we are not able to listen every type of sound. We can only listen the sound whose frequency is between 20 cycle per second to 20,000 per cycle per second. Now all of you know that you can differentiate between the sounds of different things by listening their sounds. Like all of you are familiar with the sound of bicycle, scooter or motorcycle or car. Even by listening their sound, you can tell that which object sound it is. Even there is a difference between the male and the female voices, and also all of you know that the animals make different types of sounds, and you can differentiate between the animals by listening their sounds. Now how this sound is produced, how we are able to produce the sound. Our voice box helps us in producing sound. There is a larynx in our neck which helps us producing the sound. It is known as voice box. Now our vocal cords in voice box vibrate to produce sound. There are vocal cords in the voice box. On vibration they produces sound. We already know about vibration and oscillation studied in the earlier chapter of this book. When the sound reaches the eardrum. Now when these sound reaches our eardrum, it vibrates to produce the sound. All musical instrument like a string instrument, when it is plugged, they gives the vibration due to which the sound is produced by the musical instruments. Means the sound is produced due to just because of the vibration produced by the body. Now all of you know that when you tap at some top of the table, the sound is produced. This sound is produced because there are vibrations set into the top of the table by tapping it. But if somebody sit on the same table and you again tap the table, but this time the sound heard will be of less noise as compared to the sound which is produced before. Why it happens? Because vibration of the tabletop are reduced due to the sitting of someone on it. Take a foot ruler and place it at the tabletop and press its one end like this, and you will able to hear the sound. This sound is produced because of the vibration produced by the foot ruler. Similarly, when you switch on the ceiling fan and increase its speed, you can hear the increase of sound along with that. This happens because the vibrations are produced by the fan into the surrounding. Next is sources of sound. Now which sources produce sound? Now there are two types of sources. First one is natural and second one is man-made or artificial sources. Now first of all, let's talk about natural sources. In natural sources, there can be living and non-living things which are present in our surrounding, and these all make the natural sources of a sound. First of all, there are three types of natural sources which produce sound. First one is earth sound, or it is also known as geophony sources. Now on the earth there are non-living sources which produce natural sound like fall of water, sound of river, sound of ocean wave, tides, sound of earthquakes, lightning, sound of shaking of tree. All of these which are present on the earth, that are non-living sources, they produce geophony or natural earth sound. Next is animal sound. Animal sound is also known as biophony sources. These types of sounds are produced because of the animals or living beings other than the human beings. For example, sound produced by the animal or insects or are biophonies. Next is human sound. Now these types of sounds are produced by the human, like singing, shouting, laughing, talking, whistling, sneezing, clapping, and so on. These sounds can be pleasant, musical, or simply noise. So these was the natural sources which produces the sound. Now we will read about the man-made sources. First of all, these artificial sounds are produced by the transport. The transport may contain automobiles, buses, trucks, rail engine, and all of these and their horns, sirens used into them makes a noise. Next is industry. In the industry, there are lots of machines that are installed, and in the mining industry, like digging, blasting, these all makes a sound which is known as a man-made sound. Next is musical. There are different types of musical instruments which produces different types of sounds, and all of these lies into the artificial sources of sound. Next is string instrument. Further, in the musical type, their first type of instruments are string instrument, in which there is a string like guitar, violin, etc. So all are these having a strings into them, and these strings are plugged. There are vibrations set into the musical instrument, and as a result sound is produced. Next is wind instrument. Now there are instruments like flute, clarinet, and trumpet, and when the air is blown into them, a musical sound can be listened through them. Then there are electronic keyboards. When the keys of these digital keyboards are pressed, musical sounds are produced, like piano, etc. These days, pop music is played into the functions and parties, which is of a very high noise. No doubt it is entertaining and thrilling, but it is harmful for our ears.